Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to live stream professionally using the OBS Studio app. OBS Studio is an open broadcast software that you can use to live stream all your events for free. You don't need to pay for anything to use this particular software. So in this tutorial I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can download OBS, set it up, and then use it for your live streaming. So this tutorial, we're going to be having it in series. We'll be having the part 1 just as this one, and then other parts of the video will also be available. So without wasting much of your time, let us jump into the tutorial. Let me teach you how to stream. So the first thing you have to do is to head over to OBS website, where you will download the application to stream. Okay, just type it, OBS Studio. Okay, let me type it again so you see it. Just type OBS Studio. Okay, then click. Okay, you will see it, the first link here. Okay, just click on it. Okay, just click on the first link and it will take you to the OBS website, where you will download the software that we're going to be using for this live streaming. Okay, so all you just need to do is to click. If you are using Windows, make sure you download the Windows version. If you are using Mac, make sure you download the Mac version. And then if you are using Linux, make sure you download the Linux version of it and set it up. All the process I'm going to be teaching you works on all the Windows version, so make sure you are following attentively. Okay, so let's go. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not going to download the OBS Studio app because I've downloaded before, but if you want to download, just click the download button and it's going to start downloading OBS automatically. Okay, but because of this I'm going to stop it, okay, because I've downloaded it before. So all you just need to do is to open the app once you have installed it. Okay, so let's head over to the OBS. So once you have downloaded and installed the OBS app, just open it. Okay, and once you open it, this is the interface you're going to be seeing. Okay, you'll be wondering, why do I have mine set up like this? Okay, it's because I've been using the software before now, so I'm just going to walk you through how I was able to achieve all of this. Okay, so the first thing you're going to be seeing is your scene. This is where you set up your cameras, you set up your Bible display, you set up your projections, every presentation that you want to display for people to see. This is where you set it up. Okay, and then this is your sources. Your source is where you select. For example, you have a camera that you want to bring in. Okay, so let's just practicalize that. Let me show you what I mean by so you click on this plus button to add. So let's call this cam 1. Okay, you click on OK and go to the next source. So once you click, this is your scene, and then you click on this plus button. On this dialog box that is showing, this is where you are going to select any of the programs that you're going to be displaying. For example, I'm going to use an image for this example. Okay, so I'm going to click on image. I can say peace. Okay, so you can name it whatever you like. Okay, so just click OK, and then this is where you're going to be clicking on browse, which will now take you to your computer to select that particular image that you want to display. Okay, so you click on browse and then select the particular image you want to display. For example, I'm going to be displaying this particular TechnoSpark 40 Pro. I launched the video recently. By the way, if you have not watched that unboxing video, do where to go and watch the unboxing video, and then make sure you give it a like, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed to the channel yet. Okay, so just click OK. Once you are done, boom, this is your image. Okay, now this is the image that you want to display. I normally lock it in so that I don't move things around. Once you have selected the image you want to use, make sure you lock it so that it will not be moving things around. Okay, that's how I like doing it. I like organizing my things in a way that it won't affect any other thing. Okay, so once you are done, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in another image. So I'm going to call this piece 2. Okay, I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click on the plus button again and go to image again, and then select click OK, and then browse it again, and then at this time I'm going to go to download and look for any picture of my choice. So I'm going to look for any picture I want to display. I'm just going to click on this particular one and then click on OK. Okay, so I'm going to also lock it. Now you can see that we have two images. Okay, so we have this one and we have this one, but then it's not going to project to your program. This is just the preview window. As you can see, we have the preview of this piece 2. Okay, this is the preview, and then this is your program. Everything that is here is what goes live, okay, if you want to stream. So I'm going to come to the first piece, you can see it, and then this is your transition tab. Under me is transition tab. Okay, now this transition tab is in charge of transiting what you have on your preview layout to your program layout. Okay, so we're just going to click on any of this effect. We transition your preview, which is your program, to live feed. Let's use the feed transition to transition to our program that is going live. Okay, so we're going to be doing that right now. So as you can see, you are seeing this phone being projected here. Now this is what is going live. Okay, this is actually what is going live. This is what people are going to be watching once you have projected it on this program layout. Okay, so and once you click, you can still see the preview of the phone again. And then let's click on the second image. This is the second preview of this particular image. Okay, so when you click fade, you see that it will go, and then this other one will be on this other side of things waiting. So this is just how you can bring in your scene, and then this is how you can set up your source. I'm going to show you how you can bring in your camera, which is also the same process. Okay, so if you want to bring in a camera source from here, just click on the plus button, and then we'll call this cam1. Okay, name already exists. Okay, so we have cam1 there already. Sorry, so we just have to name this let's say cam2. Okay, so because we don't have cam2 there, so that is why we can still have it here. So we just click on the plus button and go to video capture device. So you must select the video capture device option for you to be able to bring in your camera. So I'm going to click you can rename it, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to leave it just as it is. Okay, and click OK. So once I click OK, you see another dialog box being displayed. Now this dialog box is where you're going to select the drop down menu. You're going to select where your camera is. So I'm going to select my camera here. Okay, and then make use of it. So I'm going to click on the webcam on my laptop, and you can see, boom, you can see that this is my camera from my laptop. Okay, so and then I can just click OK, and then all you have to do, you can see that this is the view, and then it's small. You can drag from the edges, okay, this way to stretch. Okay, to stretch this way. Okay, you can do that. Okay, you can just try to do that. By the way, this camera door, but then it's just a tutorial purpose. So that's how you can bring in a camera source. Okay, so by the time I'm done, I'll just lock it. So if I click on cam1, we have the image. Click on cam2. This is my webcam. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, and I click on the cam3, which is the static image we have the first time. So now that you know how to set up bring in your camera to OBS Studio, now the next thing we're going to be talking about in the next part of this video is how you can properly set up the live stream and then send it out to either Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, or other streaming platform that you want to make use of. So if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also if this video was helpful to you to this point, consider giving it a thumbs up so that other people can see this particular video also and watch the video to learn. Thank you, and see you in the next.